Welcome to Cotech Institute's YouTube channel, your gateway into the web tech industry today.
Welcome to our lesson number 6 on Google Sites. We are in the process of building this exact website with all its features. If you are starting from this video and you want to learn how to develop a website like this one using Google Sites without writing any single line of coding, you need to go back and watch all our videos starting from lesson number 1 and be able to catch up. Our lessons are meant to take from the beginner's level until you become a pro in Google Sites. So in today's lesson, we want to learn how to add all these drop-down menus. Remember in the previous lesson, in lesson number 5, we added the drop-down menu like this one. And then now we want to add the recruiters drop-down menu, the scholarships drop-down menu, get involved drop-down menu, and more. So this is what we want to do real quick. Let's jump straight into it. Well, this is our website, the current status. It has the home page and then the open vacancies drop-down menu with the education vacancies drop-down menu. It is not yet complete. With the healthcare drop-down menu, it is not yet complete. It doesn't have all the pages that we have in the main website. So we want to add the remaining drop-down menus in our header. Let's do it now. So I shall minimize this preview mode. Now we are on the developer or editors platform, Google Sites. So what are we going to do here? We are going to add more drop-down menus. The next drop-down menu that we want to add is the recruiter's portfolio. So we come here and then we click on this one. Okay, then I'm going to add a new drop-down menu. What am I going to call it? Let me call it the recruiter's portfolio. Portfolio. Then I click done. So which means I have a new menu down here. Maybe this one is too small. Okay, there's no problem. Now this is the recruiter's menu. The recruiter's portfolio. But as you can see, the recruiter's portfolio happened to be under the open vacancies, which is not what I want. It has come inside the open vacancies. So I should take it out. I tap it on it once and then I left click, hold it and drag it. Now it is out. Then I put it out. Oh, hallelujah. Now it is out. You see it here. That's the recruiters drop-down menu. Now on the recruiters drop-down menu, what do we have? What is inside the recruiters drop-down menu? We see that there is hire from registered candidates, advertise in open vacants, advertise in apprenticeship, and so on and so forth. So let me add those pages quickly. So I shall fast forward this process as you now know how to add pages inside a drop-down menu. I'm going to click these 3 buttons here, and then I'm going to click here on add a sub page, and then the sub page is then done. I need to add another one, which is advertise and open vacants. Advertise and open vacants. Then that's okay. What else do we need? We have let me check some pages that are under the recruiters menu. We have make a donation. I like people to donate. Please donate to this channel, okay? Make a donation. Make a donation. For now, I'm going to just save these 3 pages. Now we see under the recruiters portfolio drop-down menu, we have these pages. So we come here, we create a new drop-down menu, right? And then we're going to call it scholarships. Scholarships, and then that's done. And then now this drop-down menu, maybe we need to just add 1 page, and then let's add 1 page under this drop-down menu. I'm going to add a page called Open Scholarships or Available Scholarships. Available Scholarships. Then done. So I have this page inside. Is it possible to duplicate this page? Yes, it is. Maybe I can click here and then I can see there's an option to duplicate the page. Then I can see it here. But in this case, is advertise a scholarship, or maybe I can give it a different name, this page. Let me just say, what do we have here? Let me check exactly what we have down here. Offer a scholarship. Okay, offer a scholarship. So let's come back to our page and then write offer or offer scholarships. Then done. So we now have copied, we have duplicated this page into this page. But as you can see, this offer scholarships still has this text, which is not offer scholarships. So which means it just duplicates everything on the page. So here it should be offer scholarships. Okay. So that's right. This is how we can create this one. And then let's create the other drop down menu again, which is get involved. Yeah, you should get involved, guys. Please get involved in this whole process of developing a website using Google Sites. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get involved. Get involved. Okay, into our channel, and subscribe and like and share to get involved full time. However, this one has appeared under scholarships. I want it to be an outside drop down menu, so I'm going to click on it once, and then I drag it and I put it out. Now it is outside. We see here there is more, which means some kind of this more. Don't worry about it. It's not an additional page or an additional, it's just an automatically created drop down menu if our header is overcrowded. So don't worry about that. Then you click, you now want to add more pages under get involved. Then a page which is what is it under get involved? Work at, in this case is HD. Work at HD. Let's go at HD. Work at HD, which means higher dreams, and then done. So we have a page there under work at HD. What else do we have? We have a service like become a recruiter or make a donation. Okay, let me just add make a donation. Please guys, donate to this channel. Make a donation. Make a donation. If you want to donate, just show it in the comment section, and then you bless me with a cup of coffee. That's right. So this is how our website currently is looking like. Let me minimize these other drop down menus, and then let's see what is next. We have an outside page. This one is an outside page, which is business ideas. We're going to create this page separately, business ideas. So we want this page, business ideas and entrepreneurship. I don't want to write a lot, so I'm just going to copy this text and then I will paste it when creating the page. Let's go back here. This is just an outside page. Then I click here, and then it is business ideas and entrepreneurship, I think. Then we have the page, it is there, and it is an outside page. Okay, if you're not sure whether your page is coming out nice, your website is coming out nice or not, then you can click here on preview and be able to see how your website is currently looking. Wow, this is wonderful. Business ideas and entrepreneurship, this is the page that we have, and so far we can clearly see that we have our up here, our header, which has this menu and this menu and this menu and this menu and this other menu. So which means we are doing great. We'll come to each of the pages and work on it one page at a time, because today's lesson is all about creating pages and the drop down menus. So this is where we are. Then we have other pages like the drop-down menus like register or log in. Then we have a page like about us and contact us. I'm tired. Maybe we need to look at some of these things in the next coming lesson. So we may call it a lesson. If you have any questions or any areas that you need clarification, please kindly ask, in the comment section. Sorry, before I close this lesson, I think you see that my menu, my header here is always in black. But if we come here, my menu becomes black if I scroll down. For example, I'm on the home page right now. If I scroll down like this, that is when it eventually turns black. What if I always want it to be black? Is there a way that I can do that? Let's see if it is possible. Just a bonus in this lesson number 6. Okay, I'm closing the preview, and then this one is our header. Is there a way we can fix our header? Let's come here on settings. In the header, navigation settings, then you click this one, and then how do we want our navigation settings to look like? It has to be on the top. There's no problem. You see here there's navigation mode, it should be on the top, and then color, it is transparent. That is why. So I don't want it to be transparent. In fact, I want it to be black, so I can click on black. Now it always displays as black, and then I can close this one. That's right. And so let's preview our website and see how it looks like. Now this is how our navigation bar looks like. It is now always displaying as black. We may also choose other colors, but with Google Sites the choice of colors is a little bit limited. So in the next lesson, lesson number 7, I want to teach you how to publish your website. After you have created your website, how to publish it on the internet so that people can see your website and be able to browse through your website. So lesson number 7 is very important. Let's meet again in lesson number 7. Thank you and God bless you.